it is Wednesday, 4 o'clock. Welcome to this vlog. I got back Saturday and I'm leaving this Friday. So within 6 days of being back home, I'm going away again.
Uma chistosa, vida. Uma chistosa.
Segura a cabeça. Good job, Vida. Tickle, tickle. She's tougher than me. Tickle, tickle. It's Kevin's turn.
Okay, so. Cosquillas, ¿no?
Tickle, tickle. So I stopped at TJ Maxx and I got a bunch of cute little. I got 2 jeans for me. That's it. I wanted to get a dress, but I didn't find any. But I got a bunch of outfits for Vida and a bunch of shirts for my husband and son. And now I have to pack. Yeah, that's it. We gotta pack. So I got this. My husband went to the mall and he got this for me. I wanted just white because it matches to everything. And I have like white Yeezys, but they get so dirty. And then he bought this for himself. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but yep, just 2 shirts. And then yep, so 2 shirts.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, outfit of the day. Let me see your purse. Mostra a bolsa pra mamãe, a bolsa. Wow. Okay. Right, we got a rat. Santiago supposed to be here. Andrés is working. Gianna, the baby, and Kevin. Are you ready? Are you guys ready for Europe? Mickey! Hey, Mickey, you're still. Mickey! Again, Mickey here. Mickey here. Para comer the whole flight. Like, this is what we do. I had to feed her. We've been in this airplane for not even an hour and I'm running out of snacks here because she's been eating non-stop. Santa Vida. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Getting real. What time is it now? Yes, I am a tourist, Kevin. Yes, I am. You want to hold it? Ah, ¿te quieres segurar? Yes. Oh my gosh, don't break your camera. I have to record, Kevin. Hello, thank you. Yes, please. Hello, hi. Hello, hello. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God. Alive. Kevin. Renting the car.
Vida.
And we arrived
Vida.
in Italy. I like the light pink. I don't like these two so much, but I like the light pink. These look the same, but they're not the same. And this is behind the scenes, all the hard work you go through in order to enjoy your trip, and nobody really shows you. We've been for hours here. Oh, the flight was delayed, so it took forever. We got here, then we had immigration line was long, and then we got breakfast. We all went to the bathroom, brushed our teeth, all that stuff, and got the car. So it takes a while. It takes a while to get things done in order to start your vacation.
Wow. Artificial light. I love it.
Catch the bus to catch a bus to catch the boat to get to the hotel.
Wait, are we in Rome?
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. On the next video, I'll be showing you guys Milan, the city, our hotel, the food, everything that I can. So make sure you guys subscribe to keep up with all our videos. Thank you so much for watching.